So this is the spot in my dad's shop where he does a lot of welding and things, and he's always worried that the sparks and things are going to mess up his epoxy coated floor. So this is the Vevor welding blanket roll, and it is huge. It's actually 5 feet wide and 150 feet long, so it's great when you're working on bigger projects, or if you're like us and you just want some extra coverage. The brand did send it over to us in exchange for this video, but my dad loves having this on the floor, and we even put some on the wall too. He measured it out and then figured out where he wanted it, and we moved all the welding equipment out and then just laid it on the ground. The mat is made from silicone coated fiberglass, so it can handle a lot of heat, up to 1800 degrees, and it feels really thick and durable. It's not flimsy. One thing that he loves is that you can cut it to whatever size you need. So it's such a big roll, he can cut some for here, and then he can add some for another spot later if he needs to, expand it and make it a bigger area. You can just roll it right back up and just tuck it right out of the way. It's not just useful for welding either. You can use it as a heat barrier in garages. It would work just as well for cutting metal or even around a grill or a fire pit. He absolutely loves it. We know you will too, and I hope this video helps.